YouTube broke me. Oh no, it's not a wild animal, guys. It's just me snoring. So there I was in my bed, happily asleep, and just like all the other small creators, I was dreaming of that day, that special day that I would get monetized. Money, money, money! Congratulations, you're monetized! Oh my god! And I was gonna buy all kinds of useless stuff with that money. The next day when I woke up, I had a feeling it was gonna be a good day. I wanted to work on my next YouTube video, trying to get those watch time. Because I'm still a beginner YouTuber, I still have no idea how to make good content and get more views. Sometimes I panic and freak out when I'm about to post a new video. Like, are people even gonna watch this video? What if this video flops? Is this even a good video? Am I even doing this right? But I've been learning for a while now, and I wanted to experiment new things. So I reached out to my phone to check for any new messages or calls I might have missed. And then I checked the YouTube official blog, and for a second I was happy and excited because I thought this new update was going to be about helping new creators and small creators. But little did I know what was waiting for me and what was going to happen. Slowly as I started reading, my smile started fading away. Finally, when I reached that point, my heart was beating out of my chest. And I saw it, 8,000 hours of watch time to get monetized. This was really disappointing for me to read all of this. This new YouTube update really broke me, and not just me, it broke many small creators. I realized how unlucky I am because I started posting on YouTube just this year, and it took me a long time to figure out what I should post, and I've been learning how to get monetized quickly. But when I read this new update, it truly broke me because 4,000 hours of watch time is very hard. But it's always been the YouTube standard and I was okay with that. But now it's 8,000 hours of watch time. I don't know, man. I don't know if it's possible, and I wanted to quit, and I almost did. I wanted to delete everything and leave. And just when I was about to delete everything and leave, I heard a voice. You still have 6 months. It's possible. Don't give up now. Many creators went through the same phase of transformation as you are going through now. Keep trying, keep experimenting, and improve your content. And when you do, then people will care. So even after being stunned by this new update and knowing that it's pretty impossible to get those numbers as a small creator who nobody knows and supports, I decided that I won't quit. I'll keep learning, I'll keep trying, and hopefully I get there someday. And if you're a small creator struggling and are shocked by this new update, don't give up, because you never know. One video might change your entire life.